Hi guys, I've got the Zigo Music X511 phone with me and I'm going to present a unboxing video for you all. So this is the phone, Zigo Music X511 with a dome headset, dual speakers, and it's powered by MediaTek and a handy multimedia player. So if you look at the back, you'll find the features: dual SIM, dual standby, 2.4 inches display screen, dual speaker, dome headset, glass bended screen, 2 megapixel digital camera, 2 megapixel digital camera, FM radio, MP3 MP4 support, Java support, 1000 mAh battery, and it's expandable up to 16 GB memory. Alright, now I'm going to break the seal and unbox the phone. And there should be a seal right here, and now I'm breaking it. Yeah, here we go. Okay, let's check out the stuff in the box. Here we go. Wow, that looks nice and handy. Right, here we got the phone and the headphones. Nice looking. Yeah, the charger, the adapters, and the earphones, the battery, and this is the warranty card, and the user manual. So let's insert the SIM card and the battery. Yeah, you can see 2 SIM card slots. You can use for conversing purposes. This is SIM 1. And the battery. Yeah, let's insert the memory chip also. Okay, let's switch on. Wow. Really awesome to see. Okay guys, let's have a look at the phone right now. Wow, this looks handy in your hands. So easy to handle because of the curvy shape. And here you will find the micro USB cable input and the 3.5 mm jack. Here you find huge speakers inside. Okay, let's switch on. Alright guys, let's check out the special features now. Yeah, just unlock. Right. Here you have a radio. The special thing is you don't have to connect the headphone or anything to the radio. Here you can hear the sound. Awesome, right? And if you want, you can connect the headphones and listen. And let's check the yeah. Let's check a song now. Right, here we go. Let's increase the volume now. Pretty awesome, right? That's super amazing. Okay, so let's connect the headset and try the here we go. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's have a look at the camera now. Here we go. Alright, multimedia camera. Okay. Yeah, it has got a 2 megapixel camera. And with zooming options. You can zoom in and zoom out as you want. Alright, yeah. Pretty nice, right? Okay guys, that's it. Overall, Zigo Music X511 is a pretty handy phone with several features. It has got an awesome music player with headphone, radio, 2 megapixel camera and so on. This is an awesome phone. Enjoy and thanks for watching.